Welcome to Sudoku SkVm. I am going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on April 5, 2024. 4 star Sudoku. Fifth grade. We have 2 and 8. So 2 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. Column H, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then fifth row, 3 numbers are remaining. 1, 6, 7. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Then fifth grade. 2 numbers are remaining. 3 and 4. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Column B, column C, and sixth row, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Column B, column C, we have 2. Seventh row and eighth also we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. First grade and eighth row we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Column E, 3 numbers are remaining. 3, 5, 7. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Column G, column H, we have 8. First grid also we have 8. So it can't come these cells. Column E also we have 8. So it can't come this cell. Then 8 is confirmed here. Column D, column E, we have 8. So it can't come these cells. Seventh row also we have 8. So it can't come this cell. Then 8 is confirmed here. Column D, we have 7 and 8. So 7 and 8 can't come this cell. It will come in one of these cells. Column A, we have 8. So it can't come this cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then 8th row, only one number is remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. Then column E, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 5. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Second row, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 3, 5. Column F, column H, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Or, sorry. Then second row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 5. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Column G, column H, we have 8. Third also we have 8. So it can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Column G, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Then column G, column H, we have 9. 7th also we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Column G, we have 1 and 9. So 1 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. Third row, we have 1. So 1 can't come this cell. 1 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. Column H, column G, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Sixth row also we have 1. So 1 can't come this cell. Then 1 is confirmed here. Column I, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 7. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Column C, we have 1 and 5. So 1 and 5 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Then 7th grade. 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 4. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Column C, two numbers are remaining, 7 and 9. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Then sixth grade, 3 will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Column B, column E, we have pair numbers 3 and 5. So 3 and 5 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Then third grade, only one number is remaining. 7 is confirmed here. 3 and 5, it will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. First row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Then fourth grade, 2 numbers are remaining. 3 and 9. It will come in one of these cells. Fourth row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Fourth row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in this cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then fourth row, 2 numbers are remaining. 2 and 7. It will come in one of these cells. Column H, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Sixth row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Sixth grade. And sixth row, only one number is remaining. 4. 4 is confirmed here. Column G, 2 numbers are remaining. 3 and 5. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Then first grade, 2 numbers are remaining. 4 and 7. First row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Third row, only one number is remaining. 4. 4 is confirmed here. Or first row, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Column E, column F, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Ninth row, we have 4. 4. So 4 can't come this cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Ninth row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in this cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Third row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in this cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then third grade, only one number is remaining. 5. 5 is confirmed here. Second row, only one number is remaining. 3. 3 is confirmed here. First row and second grade, 3 numbers are remaining. 2, 6, 5. It will come in one of these cells. Column D, we have 2 and 5. So 2 and 5 can't come this cell. It will come in one of these cells. Column E, we have 5. So 5 can't come this cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Second grade and first row, only one number is remaining. 6. 6 is confirmed here. Then column D, only one number is remaining. 1. 1 is confirmed here. Then fifth row and fifth grade, 2 numbers are remaining. 6 and 7. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Ninth row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. And then 1 is here. Ninth row, 2 numbers are remaining. 6 and 7. It will come in one of these cells. Column H, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column H and ninth grade, only one number is remaining. 3. 3 is confirmed here. Seventh row and 8th grade, only 2 numbers are remaining. 1 and 6. Column F, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. 5th grade and 5th row, 2 numbers are remaining. 6 and 7. Column F, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share in this video. Thank you very much.